let's get the show on the road and get the RAM upgraded. I wish I did this the other day when I had the laptop apart, fixing the screen. Stuck these bits of rubber down now, haven't I? Oh well, let's see if I can get them off without causing too much damage. There we go, the back cover's off. There's me RAM. What flavour is it? Let's have a look. It is PC4 2666. Here we go. 8 gig. Pop her in. Let's make sure it's all working before I pop her case back on. We have backlight, we have picture, lovely jubbly. We have windows, lovely, fantastic. Battery's all fully charged. Let's just make sure it's showing the correct amount of RAM. Excellent, we have 8 gig of RAM showing on the screen. You can't quite see there. Can you see it? Just there. Anyway, that's how you upgrade the RAM on a HP 250 G7. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, like and subscribe. See you on the next one.